It's Saturday, July 14th, 2012. I'm Tyler Lucas from Creative Technology, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Dexim AppSpeed Monster Truck for your iOS device. So let's take a look at what you get inside the box. If we come over here, we see you get the AppSpeed Monster Truck, the USB charging cable, the quick charge kit, the IR receiver, as well as your manuals. You've got your standard manual, your quick start guide, your 1-year warranty card, and your Dexim sticker. To download the app, simply tap on the App Store, search for AppSpeed, select the application, and hit install. To install the IR receiver, simply take it and plop it into the bottom of your 30-pin device. To begin, simply turn the device on, open the application, choose your control method, and begin.